Welcome back to This Guy's Garage. Today we're going to have a look at the H827 gravity feed spray gun. It has a 1.7 tip, so this is mainly for spraying heavier materials, but we're going to try it on some automotive paint here this afternoon.
Alles coming up.
This Guy's Garage. Like and subscribe.
Comes with a cup, comes with a toothbrush. Why do we test cheap paint guns? Well, we're hoping to find a cheap paint gun that works as well as an expensive paint gun. And for the most part, they all will. They just won't do it as long. So if you only have a job or two, you're a novice, a do-it-yourselfer, you're just learning, there's nothing wrong with buying a cheap paint gun. An expensive paint gun isn't going to make you a better painter. Experience will make you a better painter. We're going to prep up some panels. We're going to put the rubber to the road and see how this thing actually performs. There's quite a bit of fluid coming in this. This will put on a lot of product. More than likely, if this would be a great woodworking gun, fantastic primer gun for a high solids primer. We're going to be putting some base coat on, which is a thin product, which is probably too thin to go through this, but I'll be all right for testing. And we're going to use a high solids clear, which this gun should be just fine for it. All right, let's get the paint in the gun, start testing. final thoughts on this cheap paint gun. It lays down a decent finish. It wouldn't be the first gun I'd pick up for doing base coat, clear coat. I think it would lend itself well to a acrylic urethane or a single stage paint, a heavier bodied paint. Be a fantastic primer gun. It's not a lot of money. It's just wouldn't be the first gun I'd pick up if I was painting a car. Probably the first gun I'd pick up to put some primer on, because it does put a lot of material on. So if this video helped you out some, you can help us right back by hitting that subscribe button. It'll be right there. You can watch another video right around here somewhere. And until next time, folks, this guy